How to pay your insurance bill in BCBS application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also looking to pay your Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance premium using your BCBS mobile app, here's how you do it. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store or App Store and simply download and install the BCBSM application. So once you successfully download the application and install it, just head over to login section and simply log in with your existing account and make sure you have selected the correct information, that is login credentials. And once you successfully log in, you just have to look for a tile or menu labeled pay your premium or pay my bill. So once you locate for that particular option, just tap on pay now or one-time payment to proceed, and you can typically pay via credit or debit card or bank account as it might offer you. You may also set up automatic recurring payments such as autopay, and once you finally review your payment amount details and receive a confirmation receipt via the app or by email, you have successfully paid the amount for your insurance bill in BCBS mobile app. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.